Energy consultants, you're masters of calculations. Now let's do some maths. Cut measurement and 3D model creation time by 90%. Deliver energy calculations 10 times faster to your customers. Use your iPhone Pro or iPad Pro to create a 3D model that you can easily export to Cascados. Stay secure with GDPR-compliant solutions, proudly made in Austria. Seamless workflow from sketch to final documentation, with no media breaks to maximize efficiency. Automated data transfer to GEG or LCA calculations, reducing errors. Efficiency, speed, and compliance. Now it is time to save your own energy.